Alrighty, welcome to Pansy Place. This is a decently sized two-bedroom, two-bath house. Comes at about 1,400 square feet. Actual is about 1,407. You'll have a two-car garage there to the right as well. So decent amount of space. Good if you just want something small. It is Craftsman inspired, so you'll have these nice tapered columns coming in off of a good-sized front porch. Great room for rocking chairs, things like that. Quick note before we pass through these front doors here, this is a rendering, so the doors don't open. So we're going to go into ghost mode and pass through. Come into a decently sized living room here. Do want to call out that this would be either a gas ventless or an electric fireplace. You could put a chimney in, but in this drawing, I didn't opt for that. So the rendering here does show space for a built-in either electric or gas. Good sized living room. Pass through to the kitchen. Ample size here. Layout's good for entertaining despite only being a two-bedroom home. Good sized kitchen. And then an eat-in nook area over here with a small laundry room off of that. Laundry room is long and thin. You do have a garage there to the right. And a decently sized back porch. Good for grilling, things like that. A whole lot of room, but it is a little bit of a covered area. Just good for entertaining. And then from the back of the house here, you'll have nice, cute little design. Passing back through these doors, through this opening here off of the living room, you'll have a nice guest bathroom in front of you, shower tub, ample sink space, nice toilet, things like that. Coming into this first bedroom here, you'll have ample storage for all of your clothing, huge closet space, good views out the back of the house. And in this front bedroom, this would serve as your primary bedroom or master bedroom. Good size, and does have the ensuite on it. So again, good size vanity, little toilet space, and then an actual shower there as well. So this is Pansy Place, again about 1,400 square feet, two bed, two bath, Craftsman inspired. Great little plan. As always, if you're interested, want to take some inspiration from this, I will put the PDF of